Welcome to SciPulse News, your go-to source for the latest news and analysis. Today, we're diving into Anthropic's wild new update for Claude AI that's blurring the lines between your phone and your computer. We've got the announcement, how it stacks up against rivals like OpenClaw, and some real-world tests that had me saying, whoa. And stay till the end because one tester fired off a task from their phone and came back to find their laptop had done everything autonomously. This just got interesting. So, what's all the buzz about? Anthropic just dropped Dispatch as part of Claude's Cowork preview. It's for Pro and Max subscribers. Max gets it now, Pro soon. Picture this. You're on your phone, messaging Claude a task like, summarize these reports or send that email. Meanwhile, back at your Mac, Claude's Cowork session, sandboxed for safety, takes over. It opens apps, clicks around, browses the web, even runs dev tools if needed. No connectors? No problem. It falls back to full computer control via the new computer use tool. This isn't just chatting, it's Claude acting like a remote employee. And here's why it's cool. Everything processes locally on your desktop for privacy. You get live updates on your phone too. Let's break down the tech. Dispatch builds on Claude Code and Cowork's computer use. First teased last year, now live in research preview. Enable it, and Claude grabs your keyboard and mouse. It can open files, navigate Finder, hop into Gmail, or fire up Slack. Sources like Engadget and PCMag say it prioritizes integrations first, but if not, boom, full screen control. Imagine delegating Find My Q1 sales data and email it to the team from a cab. Claude screenshots, reasons step by step, and executes. It's sci-fi stuff straight out of Tom's Guide. One user watched Claude furiously typing code on their Mac Mini from afar. But it's Mac only for now, and you approve every action. Still, this pushes Claude toward true AI agents. Now, here's where it gets spicy. OpenClaw. This open-source viral hit lets AI agents control your PC too, but it's gained traction for being free and flexible. Headlines scream, Claude kills OpenClaw, from 36K and Indian Express asking if it'll replace it. Why? Dispatch is polished, integrated into Claude's ecosystem, and from your phone, OpenClaw's more DIY. Techloy pits them head-to-head. Claude's better at complex office tasks, while OpenClaw shines in custom hacks. But with Anthropic's safety focus and rapid updates, Dispatch feels like the enterprise killer app. OpenClaw users might stick for cost, but for pros, Claude's winning. So here's why this matters. AI agents are exploding, and Anthropic's playing to dominate. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, hands-on reality check. Tom's Guide went all in, tasked Claude from phone to summarize Mac files. Result? It found them, analyzed, nailed the summary. Then emailing? Claude composed and sent via Gmail. Make use of called it a superpower. McStories dispatched remote Cowork sessions flawlessly, but not perfect. Lifehacker flags massive security risks. It automates everything on your Mac. One test stacked to tasks, cause it's slow sometimes. Sharing files failed in another. IMG shows Claude struggling, but succeeding mostly. Forbes and CNBC hype the agent push, but caveats, research preview, approve actions, sandboxed. I love it. Productivity dream. But would you trust AI with your machine? This changes workflows forever, for better or worse. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. Drop a comment. Would you let Claude run your computer? Turn on notifications. Next week, more Tech Pulse.